Alright, so I'm going to test out this ancient life jacket, life waist jacket, whatever you want to call it. I think of it as an exploding life vest, simply because it's got a CO2 charge in it, and you pull the ripcord and it bursts out of there like alien coming out of a what were they? Astronaut's body, you know. Yeah. So you're offshore and you're starting to sink, and you wonder, well, I got this, says it's Coast Guard approved. So here it is, without any further ado. It's wrapped around your waist. It's got this little thing here, it says jerk to inflate. So you got to find Steve Martin and have him pull this for you. It's the original jerk, right? I don't know, I don't see him around here. Let's look around a little bit and see. Gotta get ready to abandon ship anyway, right? Alright, well, I don't see Steve Martin anywhere, so I'm gonna have to be the jerk. Here we go. Oh, I just had a baby. Look at it go. Alright, so you gotta pull this bad boy up. Put that over your neck, and that completes it. I forgot to show you that outside. This thing even has a huge list of instructions in a booklet that you're supposed to show the Coast Guard if they ask you for it. So, do I recommend it? Not really. It's quite a hassle, but it could save your life. I recommend you use a life jacket. Good old-fashioned life jacket. Carry on.